Hi, and welcome to Thursday Thoughts with Jodie Sacco. This week, I wanted to do something a little different. Rather than having a theme, I wanted to give each and every one of us a very, very important reminder. When was the last time you stopped and smelt the roses? And in that moment, I noticed how incredible they actually smelt. I also noticed how perfectly they are made. Can you imagine the energy that it took for that particular rose to be made in such perfection? Guess what? We are the same as human beings. Can you imagine all the power and energy that we have within us to succeed and achieve anything that we want in our lives? One of the things that I'm passionate about is personal development. And when you work with me, I will make sure that you understand the power that you hold and how you can use it to your benefit.